Hello and welcome back. Welcome back to Music with Mr. Day, working with rhythms, lesson 3, part 1. It's been a lot of fun getting to work with you guys. This is sadly our last lesson together here online, at least for my Parkway Elementary kids. We may see each other again later on when I might be your music teacher in the future. Who knows? Um, the But this will be my last time really covering for, or at least doing material for Parkway Elementary kids and for all that stuff. Oh, it's been an absolute pleasure. With that being said, I've done 2 other lessons for this rhythm unit. Please make sure to go watch them, lesson 1 and lesson 2. The 6 videos in total, some really cool stuff that we did in there. And then I also have the instrument families, which is which were just 2 lessons just before all this stuff. A lot of fun there too. Make sure you go check those out. There's some really cool stuff that we've done. Without further ado, we'll go and get right on into the rhythm workout like we normally do inside the beginning of each lesson. So we'll get our steady beat going. Just a light beat on the chest is perfectly fine. Just something to keep you in tempo. I'll give you 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll just run through the workout page 1, and then we'll go to number 2. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, ta. Nice. That was number 1. Moving on to number 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. Nice. Number 3. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta, ta. Nice. Number 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Nice. Number 5. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, 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 ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Nice. Number 6. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti. Nice. Moving on to workout page number 2, just that one on the left right there. Okay. Here we go. Start with number 1. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ticka, ticka, ta, ta, ticka, ticka, ti, ti, ta. Nice. Number 2. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ticka, ticka, ti, ti, ta, ta, sh, ti, ti, ta. Nice. Number 3. And ta, ooh, I didn't give you the 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. Number 3. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, 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 ticka, ticka, ti, ti, sh, ta. Nice. Number 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ti, ti, ta, ticka, ticka, sh, ti, ti, ta, ta. Nice. Number 5. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, sh, ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, sh, ta. Nice. Number 6. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, 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 ta, ta, ti, ti, ticka, ticka, ta. Nice. Good job. My bad. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, really nice job. That's the last time we get to do our workout pages. Oh, it's okay. But I've had a lot of fun with those. Okay. Now, we get to do a really, really exciting game here. Something that I've been really wanting to do with you guys. It's like the culminating experience of everything that we've done inside the rhythm unit. It's really, really fun, but it does take quite a bit of time. So we are going to go ahead and get right on into it. Back to school, a rhythm review. Um, it's really cool. It has all the rhythms that we've done so far. Any kind of rhythm you will see here. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. All right. So something to know about this is that the class has lost their pet, and it's terrible. Oh my goodness. The it's so scary because they've lost their pet and they can't find them anywhere, and the only way to find them is by doing these certain rhythms and then trying to look for certain items. And it's so tough. Oh my goodness. Who knows if they will ever find their pet? Oh my goodness. Like, here we are. Here's the beginning. Oh no! While we were in music, our class pet Banjo got out and stole all my school supplies. Can you help me get them back? Maybe if you listen carefully, you might hear Banjo walking around, and that may lead to you. That may lead you to my stuff. Oh my goodness! So we have to complete the rhythms, and then we have to try to help her find her stuff. And once we do, we find the class pet too. So let's go ahead and begin. All right. All right, here we go. Here's the starting. Okay, so the rhythm will always be right on the top right there. It looks like we've got some. We've got a T-ticka. All right, let's go ahead and try it now. Now remember, this one is a little bit different. It's an inverse of it, so be careful with it. Okay, starting with this first rhythm. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, 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 ticka, ta. Nice. One more time. Ta, ti, 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 ticka, ta. Nice. Good job. Good job, guys. All right. Now here comes the fun part. Oh, actually, let me hop back really quick. Okay. So also the item that we're going to be looking for in the next slide is Post-it notes. So let's see if we can find these. Okay. Post-it notes. Where are the Post-it notes? It's a toughie. Do any of you, my students, do you guys see where this might be? I think I see one right here. Oh, there we go. We found it. That's perfect. Okay, let's keep on pushing forward then. Okay. The next item that we're going to look for is a pencil sharpener, but we have to get this rhythm first. Okay, get that steady beat going, and here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Shh, ti, ti, shh, ticka, ticka. Nice. Let's try that rhythm one more time. One more time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Shh, ti, ti, shh, ticka, ticka. Nice. Good job. Good job. Okay, let's go ahead and go hunting. All right. All right. A pencil sharpener. Where is the pencil sharpener? Do you guys see it? I don't think I see it anywhere. Oh my goodness. A pencil sharpener. You guys think it's over here? Down here? Maybe somewhere up here? Huh. Oh, I think we've spotted. Is that it right there? Oh, that's perfect. Very nice. Okay, let's go ahead and keep on going on forward. The next item we're looking for is some headphones. Okay. But first we gotta get this rhythm. Okay. Let's do this. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, ti, sh, ti, ti. Nice. Nice job, nice job. Let's try this rhythm one more time. Get that steady beat going. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, ti, sh, ti, ti. Nice, nice. Okay, let's go ahead and look for it. Headphones. Remember, we're looking for headphones. All right. Where might it be? I don't see any headphones on the students or the teacher. Where might it be? Where do you guys think it might be? Do you think it's somewhere on the desks? Do you think it's somewhere on the cabinets? Or maybe on these lights up here? Oh? Oh, what's this? I think we found something. That was it. We found the headphones. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Moving forward. Looks like the next item we are looking for is a pencil case. Okay. But first, we got to get this rhythm. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ticka, ti, ti, ta, ticka, ta. Nice. Remember, this is the opposite of the version. So try it one more time. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ticka, ti, ti, ta, ticka, ta. Nice. Nice. Good job. Good job. Okay, looking for a pencil case. A pencil case. Where might it be? Oh, look at this dude. He's all smiling right at us. Okay. I don't think I see it anywhere. Do you guys think it's by the door? By the students? Or here somewhere? Maybe even by the lockers? Oh, I think we see something. Oh, found it. Perfect. Nice job. Nice job. Okay. Moving forward then. Really nice. Okay. Next one that we're looking for is a folder. It's a folder. Okay. Let's get this rhythm here. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, 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 ti. Nice. Let's try it one more time. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ti, 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 ti. Nice. Good job. Good job. Okay, let's look for this folder. All right. Looking for the folder. I don't see anything on the students' desks. Nothing around up here. Maybe somewhere by the tree or something? Oh? Did you guys find it? Oh, nice. Good eyes. Good eyes. Yep, I think that's the folder right there. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Let's see. Next one that we're going to be looking for is a calculator. Okay. Let's get this rhythm first. All right. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Shh, shh. Ticka, ticka, tee, tee. Nice. Let's give it one more try. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Shh, shh. Ticka, ticka, tee, tee. Nice. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now we gotta look for a calculator. Okay. Don't see anything here. Nothing here. Nothing over there. Maybe something over here. Oh, is that it right there? Perfect. Nice job. Nice job. Okay. We are getting close to the 15-minute mark for this video, so we are going to put a bookmark right here. We'll be right back to this place right here in just a second. Really nice job, guys. I will see you in lesson 3, part 2. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.